This Princess Disney carriage. Alright, let's go. Okay, forward. Alright. Now you're gonna go to the grass. Oh, now go to the grass. Okay, let's do it now. Drive in the neighborhood. What do you think, guys? So this is the remote control. Okay, we try to open the doors side by side. Let's see what they look like when you driving test for this carriage. Okay, see what happen. All right, ready, guys? Okay, let's see what happen. Ready, go. Oh, the wind is blowing here, so it's hard. So let's go backward. Looks cool to me. Wow. Comments down below, guys, what you think. I think it's pretty cool. Ooh, okay, forward. Let's try. Okay. This is beautiful Disney Princess Carriage. This is available at Walmart. I bought this 3 months ago, but I don't know if they still have it. I think so. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye now. I love you guys.